Hey there, lovely people. Today, I want to share a heartfelt story that revolves around my passion for crafting. So grab your favorite cozy blanket, settle in, and let's embark on this crafting adventure together. Crafting, my dear friends, is my chosen path to creativity. It's a realm where imagination reigns supreme and endless possibilities unfold before me. I find solace in the act of creating something beautiful with my own hands, breathing life into the ordinary and making it extraordinary. There's something truly magical about crafting, just like Tinker Bell and her tinkering escapades. As I dive into my projects, I feel a kinship with that mischievous fairy, twirling through the air and bringing enchantment to everything she touches. With every brush stroke, every stitch, I infuse a little bit of that fairy dust into my creations. But crafting is so much more than just a creative outlet. It's a refuge, a place where I can leave behind the worries and burdens of everyday life. When I immerse myself in the world of crafting, time seems to stand still. It's as if I step into a portal, leaving the mundane behind and entering a realm of wonder and possibility. The act of crafting is a sanctuary for my soul. As I sit at my crafting table, surrounded by an array of colorful papers, ribbons, and paints, the stresses and pressures of the outside world fade away. The rhythm of cutting, gluing, and arranging becomes a gentle melody, lulling my mind into a state of tranquility. In this magical world of crafting, I'm free to explore my creativity without boundaries. It's a space where my ideas can take flight, where I can experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. Each project becomes a tiny universe of its own, where I am the creator, shaping a world that reflects my innermost dreams and desires. Crafting is more than just a hobby for me, it's a lifeline. A way to escape reality for a while. When life gets overwhelming, when the weight of the world feels too heavy, I retreat into the haven of my craft room. There, I can let my worries slip away as I lose myself in the rhythm of cutting, gluing, and stitching. It's a cathartic experience, a chance to recharge and find my inner peace. So, my dear friends, that's the story of why crafting holds such a special place in my heart. It's my portal to a world where imagination knows no bounds and worries fade into the background. It's my sanctuary, my creative haven, where I can unleash the magic within me. But wait, there's more to this crafting story. Come along with me as I delve deeper into the magical world of creativity and share the wonders that crafting has brought into my life. When I was a child, I was always drawn to crafts, whether it was cutting out paper snowflakes during winter or making handmade cards for loved ones. I found immense joy in creating something with my own two hands. As I grew older, that passion never waned, it only grew stronger and more vibrant. The beauty of crafting lies not only in the final product, but also in the journey of creation itself. I relish the process of selecting materials, contemplating color palettes, and envisioning the end result. It's like being an artist, but instead of a canvas and paintbrush, I have a vast array of materials at my disposal. One of my favorite crafting rituals is scouring flea markets and thrift stores in search of hidden treasures. I find delight in rescuing discarded items and giving them new life. A chipped teacup becomes a charming candle holder, a vintage scarf transforms into a trendy headband, and a worn-out book becomes a unique art journal. The possibilities are endless, and with each new find, I feel a surge of excitement and inspiration. Crafting allows me to tap into my imagination and explore different artistic techniques, from sewing and embroidery to painting and decoupage. I'm constantly learning and expanding my creative repertoire. I immerse myself in tutorials, experiment with new materials, and push the boundaries of what I thought was possible. It's a journey of self-discovery, where I uncover hidden talents and surprise myself with what I can achieve. But it's not just about the technical skills. Crafting has a profound impact on my well-being. When I sit down at my crafting table, surrounded by colorful ribbons, glittering beads, and stacks of patterned paper, I can feel my worries melt away. The rhythmic motion of my hands, the focus on the present moment, and the sheer joy of creation create a sense of calm and mindfulness. It's a form of therapy, a way to nurture my mental and emotional well-being. Crafting also brings people together. I've had the pleasure of joining crafting communities, attending workshops, and participating in craft fairs. These experiences have introduced me to like-minded individuals who share the same passion for creating. We exchange ideas, inspire each other, and form connections that go beyond the realm of crafting. It's a beautiful reminder that creativity has the power to unite us and bring joy to our lives. So, my dear friends, crafting is more than just a hobby to me. It's a lifelong love affair, a creative journey filled with magic and inspiration. It allows me to escape the mundane and enter a world where I can be the architect of my own dreams. I hope that through sharing my crafting story, I've sparked a little bit of that magic within you. Whether you're an experienced crafter or just starting your creative journey, embrace the joy of creation and let your imagination soar. Craft your own world, one project at a time, and remember to savor every moment of the process. Thank you for joining me on this extended crafting adventure. Until next time, keep crafting, keep dreaming, and keep spreading the magic. Farewell for now, my lovely friends.